Are you suffering from joint swelling, pain, arthritis, low mobility, cracking of joints, muscle pain, etc.? And are you looking for 100% Ayurvedic? I'm going to introduce a capsules which is Panion Plus, which is used for swelling, acute pain, low mobility, and cracking of joints. This is 100% natural, and this comes with 10 capsules which cost 80 rupees. Let's turn it over. If you see, this comes with 80 rupees, and you can use this within 4 years from the date of manufacturing. That is huge. And each capsule contains most all 100% ayurvedic, no preservatives, no chemicals added, and also this is processed in the soluble extraction. Dosage 1 to 2 capsules twice daily or as directed by the physician. I brought this tablet for my joint pain, and doctor have given you can eat, you can take this medicine before or after food, anyone, in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In case if it's low pain, you can add it on breakfast and dinner. Two capsules before breakfast or after breakfast. And this capsule is manufactured by Wind Trust. And let's open this. So this is how the capsules looks like. It is pretty like normal capsules, and at the back you'll have all the ingredients mentioned and the benefits, and also the manufacturing date and expiry date, and the rate all includes taxes. This expires in 2027. So any discomfort or before using any supplements, please do consult your physician. This is just a general awareness of this tablet, for what this tablet is used for. And so in case if you're suffering from any of this, go ahead, you can use this, but before that consult any physician. Hope this video helps you guys. See you on the other video. Until then, take care. Bye.